Welcome, my curious friends, to a journey into the mysterious and exciting. Today, we're unlocking a cosmic secret that Nostradamus himself might have whispered to the stars. Yes, I'm talking about 6 lucky numbers that could supercharge your wealth and success during the magical days of December 22nd, 23, and 24, 2024. These numbers aren't just random digits. They're cosmic keys to abundance, rooted in numerology, astrology, and a sprinkle of holiday magic. Grab a notebook, your lucky charm, or maybe even your dog for moral support. This is going to be life-changing. The legacy of Nostradamus. Why trust him? Let's start with Nostradamus. Who was he? And why does his name still send shivers down our spines? Nostradamus was a 16th century French astrologer and physician who became famous for his cryptic, yet eerily accurate predictions. His poetic quatrains predicted everything from major world events to personal fortunes. While he didn't directly hand us lottery numbers, imagine how much easier life would be. His writings suggest that certain celestial alignments bring about waves of prosperity. And guess what? December 22nd, 23, and 24 are packed with these powerful alignments. Unveiling the lucky numbers: 7, 14, 22, 33, 41, 50. All right, here's what you've been waiting for. The 6 lucky numbers that could transform your life: 7, 14, 22, 33, 41, and 50. These numbers aren't just for fun. They're rooted in numerological and astrological principles. Each one holds a unique energy that aligns with success, abundance, and transformation. Let's break them down. 1. Number 7, the universal lucky charm. Let's start with 7, the rock star of numbers. 7 has been considered lucky across cultures for centuries. Why? It symbolizes spiritual awakening, intuition, and divine connection. Think about it. There are 7 wonders of the world, 7 days in a week, and 7 colors in the rainbow. In numerology, 7 encourages you to trust your instincts and look for hidden opportunities. On December 22nd, pay attention to where 7 shows up. It could be in a phone number, a time on the clock, or even the total on your holiday shopping receipt. These aren't coincidences, they're signs. 2. Number 14, the balanced dynamo. Next is 14, a number that radiates balance and adaptability. This number is all about harmony between work and play, effort and reward. In numerology, 14 signifies resourcefulness and the ability to navigate challenges with ease. Picture this. December 22nd rolls around, and you're juggling holiday preparations, work deadlines, and family obligations. Channel the energy of 14 to stay calm, focused, and adaptable. Pro tip: use 14 as a guide for goal setting. Break your tasks into 14-minute chunks or reward yourself every 14 steps of progress. Small wins add up to big success. 3. Number 22, the master builder. 22, the master builder. This number is like the architect of dreams, capable of turning your wildest ideas into reality. In numerology, 22 symbolizes vision, planning, and execution. If there's a project or goal you've been putting off, whether it's starting a business, asking for a promotion, or even rearranging your furniture, December 23rd is the day to take action. Why? Because 22's energy aligns perfectly with manifestation. Remember, the universe loves a bold move. 4. Number 33, the miracle worker. Now let's dive into 33, another powerhouse known as the master healer in numerology. This number is associated with compassion, creativity, and yes, miracles. Imagine waking up on December 24th feeling inspired to help others or embark on a creative project. That's 33's energy at work. The beauty of 33 is its ability to amplify positivity. So spread kindness, share your talents, and watch how the universe rewards you in surprising ways. Think of it as a cosmic pay-it-forward scheme. 5. Number 41, the resilient underdog. Now for 41, the underdog of the group. And at first glance, it might not seem as glamorous as 7 or 22, but trust me, this number packs a punch. In numerology, 41 symbolizes independence, resilience, and perseverance. It's the number that says, keep going, you're closer than you think. December 23rd and 24th are the perfect days to channel this energy. Whether you're tackling a challenging project or overcoming personal obstacles, 41 is your reminder that success is just around the corner. 6, number 50, the big transformer. Finally, we have 50, the number of transformation and freedom. This is the number for anyone ready to shake things up, whether it's your career, your habits, or even your relationships. In numerology, 50 represents fresh starts and breaking free from limitations. If you've been feeling stuck, December 24th is a day to embrace this energy. Write down your intentions, take a leap of faith, and trust that 50's transformative power will guide you to a brighter future. Why December 22nd, 23, and 24 are key dates. So why these 3 days? Astrologers have identified a rare celestial alignment during December 22nd to 24th, 2024, creating a powerful wave of energy. Think of it as the universe turning up the volume on good vibes. December 22nd is ideal for setting intentions, December 23rd for taking action, and December 24th for reflecting and planning ahead. These dates are like a cosmic trifecta. Don't miss out. How to use these numbers in your life. All right, you've got the numbers. Now what? Here's how to use them. 1. Play the lottery responsibly. It's the obvious choice. Use these numbers in lottery tickets or raffles. But remember, the key is to stay positive and have fun. Desperation doesn't attract luck. Confidence does. 2. Set intentions. Write down your goals using these numbers. For example, aim to save $7,000. Start a project on the 22nd or finish 33 tasks before the year ends. Aligning your goals with these numbers adds a layer of cosmic support. 3. Pay attention to signs. Be alert for these numbers showing up in unexpected places. Whether it's on a receipt, a license plate, or the time on your phone. These are little nudges from the universe telling you you're on the right path. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to Nostradamus' lucky numbers and how to use them for wealth, success, and transformation. The question is, how will you use this cosmic gift? Will you play it safe or go all in? Whatever you choose, remember, the universe rewards those who dare to dream big. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your stories in the comments below. Here's to a magical December and an even luckier 2024. Until next time, may your stars align and your wallet overflow. Stay curious, stay bold, and may fortune find you wherever you are.